So question number 3, part 4. Part 4 is value of A3 has been given, that is 15. Sum of 10 terms has been given 125. We have to find D and A10. So here value of N is 10. Value of N is 10. Right? Now A3 is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15. What does it mean? It means A plus 2D is equal to 15. A plus 2D is equal to 15. Right? Now, sum of 10 terms has been given. That is S10 is equal to 125. S10 is equal to 125. Now we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Now what we can do from here, S10, that is 125. So S10 can be written as n by 2. Now n is here 10. That n by 2, that is 10 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1. N is here 10. So 10 minus 1, that is 90, is equal to 125. Right? 2 5s are 10. So can I say that finally that 2a plus 90 is equal to 125 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So basically we have two equations now. One is 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. This is equation number 2. And a plus 2d, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Right? Now, what will be the next step? We will solve both these equations. We will solve both these equations. That is solving 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. That is a plus 2d is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. So what we will do, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. Multiply equation 1 by 2. So after multiplying, first equation will be 2a plus 4d 215, that is 30. And the second equation, multiply second equation by 1, that is 2a plus 9d is equal to 125. Now minus 2a and 2a will be cancelled out. Minus 9d plus 4d, that is minus 5d. Minus 125 plus 30. Minus 125 plus 35. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 5 minus 0 5 and 12 minus 3 9. Right? Minus 95. Then minus and minus will be cancelled out. D will be equal to what? 95 by 5. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. D is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. Is it clear? Right? Sum of 10 terms n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 10 minus 1, that is 9d. That is 9d. So 2a plus 9d, 125 को हमने 5 से डिवाइड किया, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. 2a plus 9d equal to 125. And first equation is a plus 2d equal to 15. 2 into a, that is 2a, 2 2s are 4d equal to 15 2s are 30. And 2 and 2a will be cancelled out. Minus 9d plus 4d, that is minus 5d. And 5, 12 minus 3, 9. So d is equal to 90. D is equal to 90. Now put D is equal to 19. Say in equation 1, what we will have? A plus 19 to the 38 equal to 15. A plus 38 equal to 15. Can I say that A is equal to 15 minus 38? A is equal to 15 minus 38, right? So it will be equal to, A will be equal to minus 8 plus 5. That is minus 8 minus 5 कितना होगा? 3. 3 minus 1 कितना होगा? 2. That is minus 23. That is minus 23. A equal to minus 23. भाई क्वेश्चन में कुछ गड़बड़ है. Let me check it out. ओहो भाई यहाँ 25 था, यहाँ 125. एक तो ये एरर है, उसको मैं 25 कर देता हूँ. यहाँ आपका 25 आएगा, राइट. और ये भी आपका 25 होगा. 25. देन यहाँ आपका 25 आएगा. So what we will have? 2A plus 90 equal to 25. So 2 and 2A will be cancelled out, right? Minus 9 plus 4D, that is minus 5D. 30 minus 25, it will be 5. So D will be equal to 5 upon minus 5, that is minus 1. Then put D equal to minus 1 in equation 1. In equation 1. So while putting this value, A plus 2. In place of D, we will put minus 1 is equal to 15. So A minus 2 is equal to 15. So A will be equal to 17. A will be equal to 17, right? So we have to find the value of D. ये तो आपका आ गया. Now we have to find the value of A10. Now we have to find the value of A10. तो मैं इस पोर्शन यहाँ थोड़ी जगह बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है. जब आप नोट डाउन करोगे तो पहले वीडियो को पॉज कर लेना. Now we have to find the value of A10. A10 will be equal to A plus 9D. A, that is first term, that is 17. Plus 9, in place of D, we will put minus 1. So it will be 17 minus 9. And 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So A10 is 8 and value of D is minus 1. Minus 1. This is the required answer of this question, right? Let's move to the next question. The next question is, value of D has been given, that is 5. Sum of 9 terms has been given 75. We have to find the first term and A9. Okay. S9 is equal to 75. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into A. Right. Now here S9. So n means 9. Value of n is 9. That is 9 by 2 2A plus n minus 1. Value of n is 9. That is 9 minus 1. And the value of D is 5. Right. Now value of S9 is 75. So in place of S9, we will put 75 equal to 9 by 2. 2A plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 5 the what? 40. 8 5 the 40. 8 5 the 40. Right. Then now what we can do from here? See, it can be written as 75. जो 9 यहाँ मल्टीपल फॉर्म में, यहाँ के डिविजिबल फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, राइट. और ये हो गया 1/2. यहाँ से अगर आप 2 कॉमन लेते हो तो ये हो जाएगा आपका A plus 20. A plus 20. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, right? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 50. So can I say that 25 is equal to 3 within bracket A plus 20, within bracket A plus 20. So from this equation, we can find the value of A. How? See, 3A plus 3 into 20, that is 60. And it is equal to 25, which implies 3A is equal to 25 minus 60, right? Which implies 3A is equal to 25 minus 60, that is minus 35. And which implies A is equal to minus 35 by 3. Which implies A is equal to minus 35 by 3. So we have find the value of A. Now what we need to do? We have to find the value of A9. We have to find the value of A. A9 will be equal to A plus 8. Now A, value of A is minus 35 by 3 plus 8. Value of D is, that is 5. Value of D is 5. So what we will have, after taking LCM, it will be 3. So it will be minus 35. 8 5 is 40, and 40 into 3, that is 120. So 120 minus 35, it will be equal to 85 by 3. It will be equal to 85 by 3. So these are the required answer of this question. Value of A minus 35 by 3. Value of A9, that is 85 by 3. Okay. Now part 6. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. We have to find the value of N and An. Okay. First of all, again, we know that Sn is equal to N by 2 within bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now here Sn is equal to 90. So in place of Sn, we will write 90. Sn. So value of N has not been given. We have to find that. So N will remain as it is, N by 2. 2A. In place of A, we will put 2 plus N minus 1. In place of D, we will put 8. Right? Then 90 will be equal to N by 2. From this bracket, we can take 2 common. So within bracket, we will have 2 plus 2 4s are 8. That is N minus 1 into 4. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. So 90 will be equal to N within bracket 2 plus 4 into N, 4N minus 4. Minus 4. So what we will have? It will be 90 equal to, see, it is N within bracket, it is 4N minus 2. 4N minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. That is minus 2. Then $90 will be equal to what? 90 will be equal to 4N into N, that is 4N square, minus 2 into N, minus 2N. Right? It can be written as 4N square minus 2N plus 90, that is minus 90 equal to 0. Minus 90 equal to 0. Now 9 4 is 36. 9 4 is 36. That is 360. तो हमें 360 के ऐसे फैक्टर बनाने हैं कि minus 2 आ जाए. So we can write it as 4N square minus 20N plus 80 minus 90 equal to 0. Now what we can do, from these two terms we can take 4N as a common term. Within bracket it will be N minus 5. And from these two terms we can take 18 common. Within bracket we will have N minus 5 equal to 0. Which implies N minus 5 within bracket 4N plus 18 equal to 0, right? Now if n minus 5 is equal to 0, then n should be equal to 5. And if 4n plus 18 equal to 0, then n will be equal to minus 18 by 4, which is equal to minus 9 by 2, which is equal to minus 9 by 2. Now we know that n can neither be negative nor fractional, right? ना भी नेगेटिव हो सकता है ना फ्रैक्शनल हो सकता है. तो कैन आई से दैट जो n की वैल्यू होगी वो क्या होगी 5. n ना नेगेटिव होता है ना फ्रैक्शनल, तो ये वैल्यू तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं. दिस वैल्यू इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Value of n has been 5. So we have computed the value of n, that is 5. Now we have to find the value of an. We have to find the value of an. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a. Value of a has been given, that is 2 plus n minus 1, and we just computed 5. That is 5 minus 1. D, value of D has been given, that is 8. So can I say that an is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1, 4 into 8, right? So an is equal to 2 plus 8 for the 32. So basically an is equal to what? An is equal to 34. So this is the final answer of this question. Value of an 34 and value of n is 5. Okay. So next part is part 7. Value of first term, that is 8, has been given. Value of an has been given, that is 62. Sum of n terms has been given, that is 210. We have to find the value of n and t. We have to find the value of n and t. अब देखो इस क्वेश्चन में आप देखो फर्स्ट टर्म भी गिवन है और लास्ट टर्म भी गिवन है. So can I write it as that Sn is equal to n by 2 within bracket a plus an. Sn is 210, n by 2, a, that is 8, and value of an is 62. Value of an is 62. Now 210 is equal to n by 2. 62 plus 8, that is 70. So can I say that n is equal to 210? The divisible form है. When it shifted to the other side, it will be in product form. In multiple form, when it shifted to the other side, it will be in divisible form. Then what we will have? 0 and 0 will be cancelled out. 7 3s are 21. So finally n is equal to 6. Value of n is equal to 6, right? Now see, an is equal to 62. An is equal to 62 means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. Now value of a is 8. In place of n we will put 6, that is 6 minus 1, 5. D equal to 62, right? So 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 means 54. So d is equal to 54 by 5. D is equal to 54 by 5, right? So we have find the value of n, that is 6. We have find the value of d, that is 54 by 5, right? So this is the solution of this question. Now next part is part 8. Value of an has been given, that is 4. Value of common difference is equal to 2. And sum of n terms is equal to minus 14. We have to find the value of n and a. Right. First of all, as an is equal to 4. An is equal to 4. That means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. Right. So a plus n minus 1 Value of D has been given, that is 2. So n minus 1, 2 equal to 4. It can be written as A plus 2 into 1, that is 2n, minus 2 equal to 4, right? So A is equal to 4 minus 2 when shifted to the right hand side, plus 2 minus 2n. So can I say that A will be equal to 6 minus 2n? That will be question number 1. That will be question number 1, right? Now, Sn is equal to minus 14. Sn is equal to minus 14. It can be written as n by 2 within bracket A plus an is equal to minus 14, right? Equal to minus 14. So n by 2. N by 2. Or what we can do here, तो ये जो 2 डिविजिबल फॉर्म में है, अगर आप इसको राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट करोगे तो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. तो वी कैन राइट इट एज n विद इन ब्रैकेट a प्लस an. वैल्यू ऑफ an इज 4 प्लस 4 माइनस 14 इंटू 2, दैट इज माइनस 28. ये जो डिविजिबल फॉर्म में 2 था, राइट हैंड साइड में प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में आ गया. माइनस 14 इंटू 2, दैट इज माइनस 28. एंड a or value of an has been given in the question, that is 4, right? Now what we can do, we can put this value of a here, so it can be written as implies minus 28 is equal to n, is equal to n. In place of this a, but we will put 6 minus 2 plus 4. 6 minus 2n plus 4, right? Then minus 28 is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. Or you can write it as minus 2n, 6 plus 4, 10. Right? Then minus 28 is equal to minus 2n into 1, that is minus 2n square, plus 10 into n, plus 10n. Right? Now it can be written as minus 2n square when shifted to the left hand side, that is 2n square, plus 10n when shifted to the left hand side, it will be minus 10n, and minus 28 is equal to 0. Right? Now dividing both side by 2. देखो सारी वैल्यूज 2 से डिवाइड होके इसको हम फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. लाइक 2 1 जा 2, लाइक 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 10, 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8 इक्वल टू 0. और 14 का हमें ऐसे फैक्टर बनाने हैं कि 5 आ जाए, दैट इज 7 2 जा 14. So it can be written as n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. From here, if I take n common from these two terms, it will be n minus 7 plus 2, n minus 7 equal to 0, right? Then n minus 7, n plus 2 equal to 0. Now if n minus 7 equal to 0, then n will be equal to 7. And if n plus 2 equal to 0, then n will be equal to minus 2. And we know that n can't be negative. N can't be negative, so not possible. So value of n will be 7. Value of n will be 7, right? Now from equation 1. From equation 1, यहाँ जो आपने a की वैल्यू पुट किया है यहाँ पर, यहाँ भी आप मेंशन कर देना from equation 1. From equation 1, यहाँ रीजन में मेंशन कर देना कि क्यों इस a की जगह आपने 6 minus 2n लिखा, इक्वेशन 1 को यूज कर. ठीक है. Now from equation 1, a is equal to what? 6 minus 2n. So 6 minus 2. In place of n, we will put 7. In place of n, we will put 7. So a will be equal to 6 minus 14. 6 minus 14, that is minus 8. तो वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू -8. सो ए आपका कितना आ गया -8. वैल्यू ऑफ एन, एन कितना आ गया आपका 7. एंड दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर part 9. Again, first term has been given, that is 3, n is equal to 8 and s is equal to 192. Find d. Find d. We have to find the value of d. Now we know that Sn is equal to, अब यहाँ पर लास्ट टर्म गिवन नहीं है, तो Sn क्या होगा, n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will be the value of Sn, right? Now this is Sn. Sn. अब देखो Sn का मतलब क्या, यहाँ पर n 8 गिवन है, तो यहाँ पर अगर सिर्फ ये लिखा हुआ है that s is equal to 8, s is equal to 8, sum of terms is equal to 192. इट मीन्स जो Sn है आपको ये 192, इट मीन्स ये S8 की वैल्यू है. ये जो वैल्यू है आपकी, देखो ये आपकी वैल्यू जो Sn की होती है, सम का मतलब सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स, और n आपका 8 है, तो आपका जो S8 है वो आपको गिवन, तो n की जगह आ जाएगा 8, ये हो जाएगा 8/2. 2a की जगह आप पुट कर दोगे 3 प्लस n minus 1, अगेन 8 minus 1 एंड देन d, राइट. राइट, अब S8 की वैल्यू कितनी है, 192, दैट इज 192. 8/2 कितना हो जाएगा आपका, दैट इज 4. 8/2 कितना हो जाएगा आपका, दैट इज 4. 3 2 जा कितना हो जाएगा आपका 6. 8 minus 1 हो जाएगा 7. राइट, 192 को 4 से डिवाइड करो, 192/4 इज इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 7d. इसको 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 4 4 जा 16 एंड 4 8 जा 32. तो बेसिकली 48 इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 7d, राइट. 48 minus 6, it is 42 equal to 7d. So d will be equal to 42/7. 7 1 जा 7, 7 6 जा 42. So value of d is equal to 6. Value of d is equal to 6. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now 10th part is L. L means last term of AP has been given, that is 28. Sum of terms has been given 144. There are total 9 terms. So it means n equal to 9. तो ये जो वैल्यू गिवन है ये S9 गिवन है, ये गिवन आपको S9, आपको A फाइंड करना, राइट. अब आपको देखो लास्ट टर्म गिवन है, A आपको फाइंड करना है, एंड वी नो दैट Sn इज इक्वल टू n/2 विद इन ब्रैकेट A प्लस L और लास्ट टर्म an और L बोथ आर सेम. ठीक है, Sn दैट इज n की जगह क्या आ जाएगा 9. S9 is equal to 9/2. Value of A we have to find, and the last term is 28. S9 is 144. So 144 is equal to 9/2. Within bracket it is A plus 28. अब ये जो डिवाइड हो रहा है 2, राइट, इट कैन बी रिटन एज, देखो 144, ये 9/2 को अगर मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेके आता हूँ तो इट विल बी 2/9 इक्वल टू A plus 28, इक्वल टू A plus 28, राइट. 9 1 जा 9, 9 6 जा 54, 16 2 जा 32, 32 is equal to A plus 28. So what will be the value of A? 28. When shifted to the left hand side, it will be 32 minus 28. So value of A is equal to 4, and that's what we have to find. Right? This is the solution of 10th part, and we have completed our question number 3.